everybody, Mark here from AmericanAeration.com, and in this video I wanted to go over very quickly the proper setup for a Kasco aeration pump when you're actually doing it yourself. Now, when you order a no cabinet kit from Kasco, the pump will probably ship in its own separate box, and it will not have the air filter or the relief valve, etc. attached to it. But what you're looking at in this video is a post-mount factory cabinet from Kasco with the pump pre-mounted in the cabinet itself. And this is just an example of how you can use this as a guide to set up the pump correctly with regards to where the air filter goes, relief valve and all that. So I just wanted to shoot this very quickly and cover it with you here, because if it's coming out of the factory this way, this is the proper way to do it. So let's move in on this, and what you're going to see is some graphics on the top of the piston head or the piston cap, in and out flow or exit flow. And on the inlet side, this first inlet is actually capped and sealed, so there's no air incoming from that point, but it is coming from the air filter side. The air filter is in that black canister, and that is part of the inlet side. Now, as you get on the exit side, next to the air filter, you're going to see the pressure relief valve, and this is in place if back pressure should build up too much in the system. It will release the air pressure before it does any damage to the pump. And then on the opposite exit port, you're going to see a brass fitting with some plumbing tape to help seal that, and then there's a heat resistant lead that comes off that and exits out the cabinet. And then onto that lead you would have a fitting which could vary depending on what you're hooking up to. Usually, in most situations, you're going to hook this lead up to a 3/8" weighted hose. From Kasco, you may also see this hook up to a 3/4" PVC Schedule 40 piping, which they suggest using for in-ground, long runs away. If you have power away from the pond, you would put the pump near power and then hook this up with PVC in ground, trenched in the ground. So at any rate, I think this will help, because we do get questions from time to time on the proper setup of this arrangement of components. The instructions are okay, but they're not perfectly clear, I think, for some folks, and it's important to know what you seal off, where you have your intakes and stuff. Now, you could actually have this this plug on the other side, I think, but I would just follow it verbatim the way they have it from the factory, and it'll work just fine this way. So at any rate, hope that helps. If you have any questions on your aeration system, what's going to be suited best for your pond, or to how to set it up, please get in touch with us at AmericanAeration.com. Happy to help. Have a great day there.